In this video, we are going to learn how to do conditional selection of cell in Pandas. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for how to conditionally select a cell in Pandas. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. For this use case, we need Pandas library to function. So make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script with one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. This line of the code is to import the Pandas library. This part of the code is to create a Pandas data frame from dictionary. And this part of the code is to do conditional selection and also inputting value conditionally in a column. Let's run the code. And you have learned how to do a conditional selection of cell in Pandas.